Hey, it's Brandy with Loving Living Green. We're here today at the Douglasville, Georgia Supercharger. Let's see what's around while we charge. The Douglasville Supercharger has 12 supercharging stations. It is located in the Target Shopping Center, which also includes a PetSmart, a Shoe Carnival, Five Below, Party City, Office Max, Marshalls, Michaels, and Ross. If you are hungry, you can walk right across the way to Panera Bread. I don't recommend this because the main road, Chapel Hill Road, is extremely busy. But if you want to walk across the street, there is a Johnny's, a Wingstop, a Cold Stone, Nothing But Cakes, and a Firehouse Sub. If you'd like to see what's around other superchargers, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, and we'll see you on the road.